This is a crane 432. Crane 432. To open it up, boop, boop, and it opens. To shut it, hit this latch again, hit this latch again. Now to open just this part right here, you got to pull. Pull this. And this opens. And that is how you get to the dollar bill validator and the coin mech. Here is how you set the prices on a crane 432, the wheel of death. You're gonna go here. How you check the temperature on your menu. If there's anything up, just press exit. To check the temperature, press F1. And it tells you your temperature. Now I just got done refilling this. I literally just closed it. So as you can see, it was 44. Now it dropped down to 43. You're done. F1 is what I pressed. To get out of that, you just press exit. F1, temp, exit. And here's how you change the prices. Here's how you change the prices on a 432. So that was pressing F1. That's how you check the temperature. That's how you check the temperature on a 432 crane. You come over here and you press F1 to check the temperature. Again, that is F1, exit, F1, exit. Alright. Now to change the prices, you're going to hit 1 for price. Level, that's to change the entire level. Your entire level. Tray. Well, the entire level will be this. This will be the tray. Each. I go to each, okay? Now we would go to, let's try 225. So I press that. Here's how you get the prices to set. You see all these, right? You come over here and watch what happens when I press that. Watch. Oh, I turned it out by pressing this. This door pressed that. So here again. Here's how you change the prices on a 432 crane. Price. Go down to each. 225. And to get that to set, you come over here and you pull on the door. Watch what happens when I pull on the door. Okay? Boom. See it? It just changed. 225 right here. Boom. 225. Now we're going to change that back. I'm going to hit exit. I'll do it again. You press 1. You go down. Each. 225. Exit. Price. Down, down. Each. 250. 250. You come over here and you pull the door. See the price change. Now we're going to change this from 225 to 250. Watch. See how it changed? Now you're good to go, Joe. Setting the prices on a crane 432. You hit price. Level. Level. Hit over, down, I mean. It'll choose tray, down again, just each. Now we're gonna go here to 250. That's 250. See, we're gonna change this one right here and this one right here. Now, to get the prices to set, you come over here, you pull on the door. Now watch that price. Boom. Okay. Watch the price. Boom. It changed. Now you can actually spin this. And boom. See this one? Watch it change. You pull on the door. Prices are set. Hit exit. And you'll see the price stayed. Your price is it. See? 250. Price 250. We'll go back over here. Go back to this row. Look, price 250. 250. Pull it. Price 250. And that is how you set the prices.